Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Monday! I'm back. Oh, it's cold outside, but I got some cool stuff to share with you. I've been getting a couple PR boxes from Shop My, and I want to share everything with you because there's some really great brands and great stuff. So we're gonna start with no makeup, the original no makeup makeup. This is actually really intriguing to me, and I will put all the links below. They sent me a foundation brush, which I really need. These foundation brushes are great. They look like, I'm going to show you what it looks like this, and it makes it really easy to blend your foundation. And they sent me the foundation. Let me see, in Fair. Let me open this up. Uh-oh, I think I just messed up my nail. I can fix it. There we go. I just painted my nail. I just touched it up. Oh my gosh, check that out. Look at that. So I'm going to try this out and see what I think of it. Next up, we have... My scissors aren't working. What the heck? I slit this box and like nothing happened. Why isn't this box? This is good tape, you guys. There we go. I got it. This one is from Versed, and it is, let me see here. Oh, cool. I got two products. I got a serum concealer, and I got a smoothing lip blush. I've never used lip blush before. Let me see what this is. Cashmere color. I like cashmere. I gotta say, cashmere works. Let me get the little sticker off here. I'm having trouble with packaging today, you guys. There we go. Got it. Oh, that's pretty. Actually, I like this color. This is a nice kind of like wineberry for winter. Oh, cool. I put it over my lipstick, but you know what I like about this? It's literally like a blush. So a little bit of color. So you know, sometimes you get up on Sunday and you want to go to the grocery store. I do that a lot, but I don't want to put on like a lot of makeup, but I want a tint. That's what this is. So that's really cool. And then they have the serum concealer, which is always a good thing. Okay, I have one more makeup item here. This is from, I think it's called, it's called Tower Beauty. And yep, check it out. Tower 28. Okay, it's called Tower 28. Oh, they sent me a whole bunch of things. This is fun. Let me look at this. Okay, first up is the Get Set. This is the Blur Matte Powder Blush in Satali Slushy. It's a slushy. Check this out. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. That's actually really nice. And then I got a, let's see, is this mascara? No, a serum corrector. Is that a thing now, the serum correctors? Because I'm seeing a lot of serum corrector around here. And I'm thinking maybe it's like a thing that a lot of people are using now, which is kind of cool. Let me see what this is. Oh yeah, look at this. This is going to be really nice under my eyes. I always love a good under eye product. So I got that. And then they also sent me a tinted lip treatment in Sugar Plum. Perfect for the holidays. Let me take this one out. Oh, look at that. The little tube. That's fun. Let me take this out. This one is... Oh, this is really light too. I'll have to say, I kind of like some of these like light products that just give you a little bit of a tint. This is going to be probably a little bit more creamy. Ooh. I almost lost it. And then they also sent me, what is this? Oh, a full-size jet mascara. Oh, mascara in brown and black. That's good. I love a good mascara. Okay. Then I got from Dolce Vita. Check it out. I'll have the link, like I said, below to everything. They sent me the most gorgeous pair of suede boots. You guys got to see these. Look at how pretty these are. Oh my gosh. They have like the fur lining, so you can kind of see how warm they are. I tried these on. They are really nice. There is a zipper on the side so you can get your foot in. And very small heel. I think these are a leather bottom. But anyway, these are so comfy and beautiful, and they work so good for the holiday season. I cannot wait. You know, the one reason why I'm excited about Christmas is I can wear cute boots, the boot that can take you through all seasons. That is super cute, and they're waterproof. So anyway, these are from Dolce Vita. So anyway, thank you so much for all of these PR boxes. It was fun sharing all of this stuff. I gotta go try everything out. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.